We had to go Brocante shopping for French paintings and antique treasures at this famous Brocante, which only happens once a year, always the 1st of May.
Yes. Spot the chateau. Here's my Jenny. I'm live here from probably one of the biggest, most famous chateaux in the Loire Valley. There are hundreds of vans queued up already, waiting to get onto their little areas where they're selling on the grass. One of the French organisers has just told me they're expecting about 600 sellers tomorrow. Some of the eager ones are coming tonight.
Je vois comme les tasses, peut-être les tasses, je peux en mettre à la volonté. C'est lourd, hein? Bonjour madame. Bonjour.
God, I must be totally crazy. You can see how totally soaking wet and muddy the whole place is. I have taken some footage of the things on the stalls, which I do have to say, the stalls are still amazing, and we have, thankfully, I'm looking like so glamorous, I don't think anyone's going to recognise me. I've already been back to the van and changed once. Glad it's no. The French are telling me that actually this weather hasn't been like this, but I was saying in England it has been like this all of 2024 so far. I was hoping to go home this weekend and it was going to be sunny, and I'm not sure it's going to be in England, so may possibly be staying out here longer. We have brought some really lovely things today, not a lot of things I do have to say, and probably my best buy was last night when I bumped into a dealer that I bought from before, and he very kindly let me have a sneak peek. Louis is safely tucked up in the van, and there was no way I could get him out of the van today, but I will be putting up a YouTube of Château de Chambord and the Brocante and what we bought. It will be going on my YouTube channel. We did do a fantastic chateau visit yesterday, but that was to the gardens and not the chateau. That's also going to be coming up on my YouTube channel, because it isn't just, I mean, obviously I love the antiques and vintage and the Brocante, but now that I'm getting a bit older, I'm trying to do all the other things that I've passed by and seen the signs for and driven past, and then yeah, I want to see all the gardens. I want to visit. I've got lovely invitations down to the Champagne region to visit some vineyards and champagne makers down there, which we'll also be doing. But while I'm on, I just want to say thank you to all of you who have followed my new YouTube channel. I'm so amazed that within 1 week we achieved more than the 50 followers that I needed to do lives on YouTube. Well, yeah, I'm fully on track to get that really up and running, and the more people that can follow my YouTube channel, French Jenny Trading, the more things that YouTube will let me do with that. And obviously that will allow me to do more travel and brocante and antiques and loads in France, but I've also got loads in the UK planned, and I have got a big project that's going to be a lot further afield planned for YouTube, but you've just got to stick with me because it's going to take me probably 3 months to get to the level where I'm going to be able to fulfill the request, as it were, for that. But yeah, I've been buying some different things this time. I've bought some fantastic copper, really heavy, really big, with Paris stamps. I mean, very unusual. Probably has come out of some massive house in Paris or a big chateau in that, you know, very close. We were in the Loire, so we're not that far from Paris now. So very happy with those, and I do have a few chefs, don't know if you're watching now, who are very keen on decorating their hotels or restaurants with those very heavy and very big French coffee pots. And I've also got some mid-century things that, if I've seen it before, I'm not buying it unless it's fantastic. But it doesn't really exist now. Massive change in what is available here. So yeah, I think when I can get organised and get some downtime, which hopefully we'll get back to the UK and get some decent Wi-Fi. Yeah, what's hot and what's not has massively changed in probably the last 5 years. You know, over the COVID time, and then afterwards, a lot of the older dealers have given up and retired, and there's some younger people coming in.
Yeah, they're really nice.
I think this is, I think it's good, don't
Try and get stuff listed. Oh god, I've got so much stuff to list, guys.
Do you think the plants need watering today, babe?
It's a very nice area. Even the small houses are lovely. It's got a lot of the sort of synonymous French style in this area, and the street markets are good. You know, Brocante, the towns and things, Brocante street greniers are really good normally anyway, but this is a really big one.
Merci, madame.
You can see it.
Yeah, just about. No.
This is Kia. We can do paper cups. You can have a paper cup of Kia. It's a French thing. Ooh la la, c'est la vie. Yeah, cheers. Cheers from sunny Loire Valley in France.
Salad.
we have a stand.
Okay. Everyone, we are heading off through the forest around about the Château de Chambord. We finished the Brocante market. It was probably the wettest Brocante on record, but we did find some good things. So we've decided to head south. How exciting! One other thing is we did see Stephanie and Philip from the Château Diaries. So if you follow them on YouTube, you'll know that they love to go to the Chambord Brocante. But if you don't follow them on YouTube, go follow Stephanie and the Château Diaries from Château de la Lande. We didn't get to speak this time because I was pushing a trolley full of furniture. Stephanie was trying to keep out of the rain. But hopefully our paths are going to cross again soon.